Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Autopilot in your Tesla Model S. First, ensure you understand its capabilities and limitations. To begin, engage traffic-aware cruise control by pulling the right stalk on the steering column down once. This will maintain your speed and distance from the car ahead. Then, to activate auto steer, pull the same stalk down twice quickly. You'll see a blue steering wheel icon appear on your display, indicating auto steer is active. Remember to always stay alert. Traffic-aware cruise control is fantastic for highway driving, automatically adjusting your speed to match the flow of traffic while maintaining a safe following distance. Auto steer then adds steering assistance, helping to keep your Model S centered within its lane markings. It's crucial to remember that these are driver assistance features. You must always keep your hands on the steering wheel and be prepared to take over at any moment for safety. Safety is paramount when using Autopilot. Always maintain constant vigilance and be ready to take full control of your vehicle at any time. Autopilot is designed as a driver assistance system, not a fully autonomous one, meaning your active participation is always required. It's best to avoid using Autopilot in challenging situations like heavy rain, snow, or complex city driving, where human judgment is essential. For advanced control, you can easily adjust your following distance from the vehicle ahead using the right scroll wheel on your steering wheel. To disengage Autopilot, simply apply brake pressure or move the steering wheel with a slight amount of force. It's good to know these methods for quick transitions. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.